Hey guys, it's Nile's Cubing and I'm pretty sure that you are impressed by the solve I did in the beginning. So I recently broke my 3x3 PB by getting an 8.10 second solve, and if you haven't seen that video, then the link to that video is given in the description. Also, if you want to see the reconstruction of my PB, then the link to that video is given too. Now if you are wondering that I got a new PB again, then it's actually not true, and it's not a fake scramble either. Alright, so the thing is that my friend got a new PB on this scramble and then he sent it to me, and I was actually kind of surprised. I mean, like, what the heck is this? So I decided to make a walkthrough video and share it with you guys. The scramble is given on the screen and it's also given in the description, and I'm scrambling my cube by keeping green on top and white in front. Alright, so my inspection is x prime y, and I have all the three cross edges already done, and I have to insert this last cross edge. So I'll insert this by doing wide r u prime, wide r prime. Then I have one F2L pair already made over here. So I'll insert this F2L pair by doing f u2 prime f prime. Then I'll directly go into solving these two by doing a sledgehammer and then the basic insert. Like this. I'll cube rotate once and do a U. So I have to solve this F2L case, and I'll solve this by doing R U prime R prime, U R U prime R prime, and then U2 R U prime R prime. Then I get this OLL case and I'll do the standard OLL ALK to solve this case. So it goes like this, and then the AUF. So here I got a PLL skip in this case. Okay guys, this is all I got for this video. I hope you like it. Try the scramble by yourself and comment down what time you get. Also comment if you have any better solution to this scramble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you want me to make a walkthrough video on your scramble, then you can give your scramble in the comments, or you can contact me on Instagram or my blog. All the links are given below.